Hello, it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, Daisy, and myself. This is my products from my December kit. Kathy provided a mood inspiration board, and we also have the 4for4 series from Janet over at RTS Scrapbooking as another inspiration piece to create layouts in the month of December. You need to go to our Facebook group site. When I say ours, that would be the Mini Kit Monday Facebook site, and go to the December album, and you can download the PDF file or pictures showing you how to assemble your kit, how to cut your papers, and then group them for layout 1, 2, 3, and 4. And from there, the rest is up to you. You use your creativity and create your layouts, documenting those memories, okay? So this is layout number 3 for me. And each of us Mini Kit Monday ladies has reviewed how the 4for4 series works, and we show you what products that we gathered to create our layouts for the month of December. So if you have not seen video 1 and 2 already, then you need to go back and review those, or else you will be completely lost if you're trying to play along. Or go join our Facebook group site as well, and all the links will be listed below for the Mini Kit Monday ladies, for the Facebook group site, and for Janet's Patreon account. Okay, so for this layout I am using 2 punches, a circle, and a tab, or I want to, or those are tickets basically. 4 washi tapes I have out. I have a stamp, but I don't know if that's going to get used. I have my gems. I have some scrap papers left over from my other 2 layouts that I incorporated. I have a tag. I have these puffy items. Some are word phrases from Pink Fresh Studio, and this Indigo Hills number 2 that I have pre-selected from my kit that I gathered. And I also have the sticker sheet that was in with my kit from Close to My Heart Serenity collection. And then these are, and I have my title I think I want to use, and this is from Spruced Up, I think, collection from Close to My Heart. Let me tell you, yes, Spruced Up collection. So I have my title from there, and again, this was included in my kit. So right here is the assembly of the cuts following the 4for4 series, my cardstock paper, and then I'm going to use my bonus paper. She talks about, putting a bonus paper in with your kit. All right, I am going to pause this video and I am going to start assembling using these cuts and 3 photographs. I am doing single page layouts. You can do double or single. The cuts for this 4for4 series was meant to do double page layouts, so I will have extra items. I have more choices of what to use, not to use, or try to use it all. I am back with my completed layout. Didn't this turn out gorgeous? Another memory documented from January 2020. This is my sister-in-law with our little guy, and the first morning that we woke up on this particular weekend up at our mountain retreat property, there was probably about a ½ inch of snow, and he wanted to go sledding, and it was too dangerous for me. I've got to have at least a foot of snow so that I know all these branches and stuff are covered underneath the snow and you don't flip, and you can see that they started to flip right here, but it is a fun memory for my little guy to have in his album. All right, so what's left over? Let's start with that. So for layout number 3 for our cuts, we had a 5" by 12", a 3" by 12", a 2" by 12", a 1/4" by 12 inches, a 1/2 inch by 12 inches. All right. What's left over? I did not use the 5 by 12 inch, and I did not cut into, well, I cut a little piece off of my 1/2 inch by 12. This is what I created. So from this 1/2 inch strip, I cut it up and I layered it right here. Then I used my punch tab or ticket tab and put that right here. Then I used that puffy round circular puffy sticker. Let's spit it out, Dolly. That says Winter Fun. I took my bonus page and cut a strip of it off and did my own wonky scallop by hand and tucked that underneath there. So while we're up here in the right hand corner, I took my confetti sequence and I cascaded that down here. And my 12 by 12 background paper is a cardstock from Close to My Heart called Bluebell. Just love this new color from Close to My Heart. I took the Bluebell glitter paper and I layered it behind my matted photographs. So the larger one is 4 by 4. I matted it in the French vanilla cardstock from Close to My Heart. I used my bonus paper from my kit. Then I used the glitter paper. Then I used this scrap from one of the life cards, and then a vellum piece right there, okay? So that's all layered under there. Oh, and the opposite side of my bonus paper is this flower. So I'm still using the bonus paper in the kit, but just flipped it and used the opposite side to bring out some more of the white. And wow. Slow down, Dolly. I'm so excited. One way to stretch your paper is to use both sides, right? Second, you can mat each of your photographs in different papers, and as long as they coordinate, it'll look just fine. And that's kind of what I did here in this grouping. Okay, then like I said in the beginning, I wanted to use this pre-cut title that came from Close to My Heart collection called Spruced Up. Then remember I had the little bit of chipboard pieces here that were miscellaneous from Vicky Bouton's lines that I wanted to get used up. So I used the banner here, and then I had a hangover and I cut that off. And then I had these 3 chipboard pieces and I just kind of used them standalone, except for when I got down here, I grabbed this puffy sticker from the Pink Fresh Studio line called Indigo Hills number 2, and I put this flower here because this was not here, and that worked out perfect for that grouping. And as I was looking at the sticker sheet, I'm like, ooh, I like this as a subtitle, Shared Moments. So Best Ever Shared Moments for my sister-in-law and her nephew. So I thought that was perfect there. And oh, and then I added my thin washi tape that I pulled as part of this collection right in through here. All right, and oh, one last thing, and I did get in a couple of the glitter gems in Bluebell from Close to My Heart. So I have one here, 2 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Now my layout's finished. All right, and I've explained everything to you. All right, keep coming back, Give us a thumbs up. That brings traffic to our channel, which allows other viewers that you and I don't know that need inspiration or are looking for ideas. All right. And share our channel. And like I said before, document those memories in a fun, creative way. You're passing down memories. Bye.